Merry Christmas and a hopeful and joyful New Year to us all. Joyful and hopeful 2026 to come. Minatamis na saging sa gata. Pinoy dessert. Pinoy minatamis. Enjoy watching. Coconut milk, saging sa saba, brown sugar, and that's it. Hilaw nga saging, boiled. Take care, keep safe, and may God bless us all.